Alright, so I'll be showing you guys how I do this in less than 10 minutes. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I usually do is flip the four backwards. This is the front. I flip it backwards and put on the cushion I wanna make the cushion cover for. Put it on there, leave a little space. I like to leave little space, you know, just for the stitching, as well as if I want to put a zipper. And then I'll flip the remaining side just to get a measurement. Alright, so now that I've flipped it and I know what I want, I'm gonna cut it. The pillow is right here. I don't know if you guys can understand. I put the pillow in, leaving little space here, and then I flip it over. I make a marking. Sorry guys, 1 minute. Forgot my chalk. I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm just gonna mark it where I want to cut from. So basically that's it for measurement, and then I'll draw a straight line from the marking and then cut and stitch, and basically that's it. So now that I've got it cut out, I'm just gonna flip it up over backwards and stitch this way, and this way. No, just this and this. And I may probably put a zipper here at the edge, or I may just leave it open like that. So here's my thread. So now I'm gonna start stitching, and that's basically it.